Hello dear students, very good morning to all of you. How are you all? I think you are very fine at your home, even also safe with your parents. So dear student, this is the English lecture of yours. So today we are going to continue our topic that is called Meet My Family. Okay students, so in this chapter we have learned about a boy and his family. So that boy name is Anurag and his family is about a small joint family. There are different members in the family of Anurag. So who is there in his family? कौन-कौन था उसकी family में? Yes, first one he introduced his sister. उसने सबसे पहले अपनी sister से मिलाया. Her name is Pooja. Okay, after that he introduced his parents. That is mother and father. His mother name is Mrs. Anita Joshi, है ना? Anita Joshi is his mother's name, and his father name is Mr. Ranjan Joshi, and his father is a doctor and his mother is a teacher. So here we have learned about his family. After that he introduced his grandparents also. He said that there are two more members in my family, that is called my grandmother and my grandfather. After that at last he introduced his pet. उसके पास एक छोटा सा pet था, that is called baby dog. Okay, baby dog था उसके पास, that means, and his name is Sparky. उसने नाम क्या रखा था? Sparky. So yesterday we have done exercise B, I love my family, and I hope you all have done this work and understood very well. So after we have done this, we met his Anurag's friends. Anurag's के friends से हम कल मिले थे. There are 5 friends in his colony. उसकी colony में उसके 5 friends होते हैं. So this is the picture of his friends. They all are playing together and enjoying the evening time. So here are 5 friends. They are introducing themselves. और वो अपना सब लोगों ने नाम बताया. So there are Jay, Harita, Roy, Gurmeet and Kabir. Okay, these all are the Anurag's friends, and friends are also extended family parts, है ना? Family के जैसे ही हमारे friends होते हैं. So after that today what we are going to do? We are going to do page number 1313. So dear students, everyone take out your book and open the page number 1313. In this page we have to fill the blanks with the help box given. So here I am making a help box first. So in the help box there are different words given. The first word is B-A-L-L, that is called ball. After that A-N-I-T-A, Anita, Joshi, oblique, T-E-A-C-H-E-R, teacher. Okay, next one, D-O-L-L, doll. After that, P-O-O-J-A, Pooja. And the last one, D-O-G, dog. So these are all the options which are given you, and you have to complete the blanks given in the page number 1313. So आप लोगों को 13 पेज नंबर पे ये ब्लैंक्स जो दिए हुए हैं उनको कंप्लीट करना है. अब इन ब्लैंक्स में हमें क्या लिखना है? ऑप्शन से वर्ड्स चुन के. बट कैसे लिखेंगे? हाउ वी राइट द वर्ड्स इन द प्रॉपर प्लेसेस. So we will see the picture first कि किसका पिक्चर बना हुआ है and how they introduce ourselves. और वो लोग अपने आप का इंट्रोडक्शन देते हुए अपने बारे में बता रहे हैं. So here is the first picture. You can see this picture in your book. Who is he? Who is she? I am a blank. So who is she? She is a doll. आप लोग देख सकते हो ये प्यारी सी गुड़िया है. So in the first line, what you have to write, I am already written. Here you have to write D-O-double-L, doll. What is the spelling of doll? Here is your option that is called D-O-double-L, doll. After that, here is my name is blank and I am a blank. So here let's see the second picture. Who is she? You can see the mother of Anurag. है ना, ये कौन है? अनुराग की मदर. So what's her name? उसका नाम क्या है? अनीता जोशी. So my name is, वो आपको बता रही है अपना नाम. So how you will say the name? My name is. Like similarly, she is also saying that my name is. You will write here Anita Joshi. After that, I am a teacher. वो कौन थे? जो उसकी मदर थे वो थे teacher. So here are two blanks given. In the first blank you have to write the name, and in the second blank you have to write the spelling of teacher. So here complete your work. Okay students, after that there is picture number 3. Who is she? She is sister of Anurag. So वो अपने बारे में आपको बता रही है. So sister of Anurag, what the sister of Anurag is saying कि I am a, कौन थी sister Anurag की? B-A-L-L ball, P-O-O-J पूजा और D-O-G dog. कौन थी sister का नाम क्या था उसके? Yes, she is Pooja. She is introducing herself. वो अपने बारे में आपको कैसे बताएगी? I am Pooja. Okay, like this. So you have to write the spelling of Pooja here in the pink box. Okay, in the pink blank. After that, here is again a next picture. What you can see here in this picture, who is he? कौन है ये? He is a pet dog. Okay, so here we will write the spelling of D-O-G, dog. And the last one in the middle of the box, in the middle. So what is this? Which picture is this? You can see. Which picture is this? This is a ball. So he is saying, I am a ball. So here you have to write the spelling of ball. B-A-L-L, ball. So dear students, complete the page number 113 in your book. Okay. Okay students, I hope you all have done your work. After that, dear students, turn the page and take out page number 1414. So in 1414 there are question and answers given. Okay, so we have to write all the answers in the book. Okay, read and write. Let's read and write. So in the page number 14 there are question and answers. Here you can see Anurag. Okay, ये कौन है? Anurag. What he is saying? Hi friends, I told you about my family and friends. Now you answer my questions. So वो आपको बोल रहा है अनुराग, मैंने तो अपनी फैमिली और फ्रेंड्स के बारे में आपको बताया, अब मेरे ये क्वेश्चंस के आंसर्स आपको लिखना है. So are you ready dear students to write down all the answers, all the correct answers in the book? Yes. So the first question is, what is the first question? The name of my sister is, you can see the sister of Anurag Joshi. So here is his sister. So what you have to write in the first answer? The name of my sister is. So what is the name of his sister? Yes, Pooja, P-O-O-J-A, Pooja Joshi. So the name of his sister is Pooja Joshi. Now what is the second question? You can see the second question given here. The name of my dog is, उसके dog का नाम क्या था? Sparky. So in the second we have to write S-P-A-R-K-Y, Sparky. Third question is also given here. In the third question, what you have to write? Who you can see? What is my father's name? So here is father of Anurag. So what is the name of his father? His father's name is Mr. Ranjan Joshi. So here you have to write M.R. Mr. R-A-N-J-A-N, Ranjan, J-O-S-H-I, Joshi, Mr. Ranjan Joshi. After that, number 4. In the number 4, what you have to write? See, what is the question of number 4? My sister plays with a blank. अब उसकी sister कौन से toy के साथ खेलती थी? Here you can see a picture also. Yes, it is his doll, her doll. So you have to write here doll. Spelling of doll, D-O-L-L, doll. After that, there is question number 5. What is the question number 5? What is my mother's name? Here you can see mother of Anurag. So Anurag की mother का नाम क्या है? Yes, her name is Mrs. M-R-S, Mrs. Dot Anita Joshi. Anita Joshi. So here is answer of question number 5. After that, question number 6 is given there and there are 3 blanks. 1, 2 and 3. So what is written in the question number 6? Write the name of my 3 friends. We have met 5 friends, है ना? अनुराग के 5 friends से हम मिले थे. उन 5 में से आपको किसी भी 3 friends का नाम यहाँ लिखना है. So here I am writing Jay. Second is Harita. And the third is Roy. So you can write Kabir and Gurmeet also. Okay. And the last question, question number 7. What is the question number 7? What do I say to my family in the morning? In the morning जब अनुराग wake up होता है, उठता है बेड से, तो वो सारे फैमिली मेंबर्स को क्या विश करता है, क्या बोलता है? Yes, he says good morning. So here you have to write spelling of good morning. G-O-O-D, good. M-O-R-N-I-N-G, morning. Good morning. So here we have completed all question answers given in the page number 1414. So dear students, complete it in a good handwriting in your book. After completing this, here is a beautiful pictures given in the page number 15. So this is homework for you. What you have to do? You have to color it with the good colors. Okay, आपको इसमें color करना है. And only use crayon colors, not sketch colors or any other colors. Only use crayon colors. So here we have completed our work. So tomorrow again we will meet and start a new lesson. So dear students, complete this question answers in your book. Okay, after that tomorrow we will start the new chapter, and also do not forget to do your homework. What is your homework? The favorite thing, that is coloring. Color the picture given in the page number 1515. Okay, so bye dear students, take care, have a nice day.